Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you a recipe of spaghetti with sausages and with vegetables. It is very easy to do, but it's crazily delicious. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, let's see what type of ingredients we are gonna need for this great recipe. We are gonna use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of pepper paste, 3 pieces of garlic, a little bit of dill, around 100 grams of sausage. Then we are gonna need spaghetti. We are gonna need 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, and 3 green peppers like this. Then we are coming, of course, to our amazing spices. Guys, for the spices, today we are going to use salt, red hot pepper, black pepper, red sweet pepper, and oregano. So guys, now we are going to start with opening the fire. And we are going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We are gonna add our onions here. Top of it, we are gonna add our green peppers. Guys, the reason I'm adding peppers right after the onion is that they're gonna cook at the same time. So guys, at this stage, I'm adding our sausages, chopped sausages. Then I'm gonna add our minced garlic. I used here 3 garlics. Then we are gonna mix them all. Now we are adding our pepper paste. If you don't have pepper paste, guys, you can use tomato paste. Now we are adding our chopped tomatoes. At this stage, I would like to add our spices. Just you can mix them up with your finger. Guys, if you don't like any of the spices in here, you are welcome to change, to replace them with any type of spices that you enjoy eating. Now we are gonna just spread it out along the vegetables, and we are gonna mix them up. So guys, now when you see that your veggies are already boiling with your sausages, what you are gonna do is that you are gonna add 3 glasses of boiled water. So I'm gonna start adding. This is a big glass, so that's why I'm not filling totally. 2, 3. So what I want to do here, guys, is I'm gonna place spaghettis and wait until they come softer in here. I don't like breaking them. All right. So we are gonna place them, and this is how we are gonna cook. So guys, as you see, we almost don't have any water in here left. At this stage, what we do is we close the fire, and after closing the fire, we are gonna add our dill, just like this. Dill has great smell, and it's gonna add really good smell and taste to our spaghetti. At this stage, I'm gonna just mix it up with the Bon appetit, guys. Enjoy your meal. Guys, thank you for watching us. Please, if you like our video, don't forget to click the like button. And if you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you to all have a nice evening and goodbye.